One of the best ways to make money online is by typing names, and I'll show you how to do it in this video. Whether you're working from home or working somewhere else, making money online is the ultimate dream. It is possible to earn money online even in your sleep, thanks to a variety of legitimate methods available on the internet. This can be done by anyone, even those without prior experience. I'd like you to imagine, wouldn't it be great if you could earn up to $300 per day typing names on the internet? That's pretty cool, isn't it? I'll show you how it works exactly. Whenever you type a word or name one, for example, Mark, you earn money. As soon as you type another name, for instance, John, boom, you get paid again. I'm going to share with you how much money you can make with this incredible opportunity. It is possible to earn $15 for typing one page, $75 for typing 5 pages, and $300 when typing 20 pages per day. It's also beneficial because you can earn as much money as you want, since there's no limit to how much you can type. Alternatively, you can use your computer or laptop. It is a free opportunity and available to everyone worldwide. Be sure to watch until the end in order to understand the sign-up process, since it is actually very difficult and most people make mistakes. Let's begin. Using the calculator on this website, we can estimate how much money we can earn from this brand new opportunity. Here is rate per word, which lets you know how much you can earn per word you type, in this case, 5 cents. There are usually around 300 words on a page. Here is page number 1 of this typing name project, and here is page number 2, and here is page number 3. There are 300 words in each of these pages, so typing names can earn you up to $15 per page. This is an excellent opportunity to earn money. You can earn up to $300 per day by typing names on this site, since we receive up to 20 pages every single day. First of all, we will use this website, talentdesire.com, which is the one we will be using today. From the comfort of your home, you can earn money online without spending a single penny. It is a completely free opportunity. There is no investment or money required to get started. Below, you can see that they provide a variety of work-from-home opportunities, such as online proofreading jobs, online paid surveys, freelance writing, language translation, etc. A variety of jobs are available for you to choose from. We're focusing right here on online typing jobs in this video, because this is one of the highest paying and easiest things you can do online, because it requires no technical skills or experience. Let's take a look at this. A year's salary can range from $13,500 to $27,000 or more. People from all over the globe can earn good money from this opportunity. The registration fee is absolutely free, as shown here. Joining is free and there are no hidden costs, as well as they don't ask you about investment at any stage. Remember that. This is an entirely free and worldwide opportunity. Over here, you can see that depending on your skill level, from beginners to experts, you will receive a different rate. In just a moment, I will give you a special bonus tip that can help you earn a higher rate, so that even an absolute beginner can earn an expert salary. Also, stay tuned as I will reveal a strategy which nobody else knows. Here is the first tip that you can use to earn a higher rate. You need to go to ratatype.com. Click this yellow button right here to take a free typing test on their homepage. When you click that, you will be taken to this page where you can actually start typing. This typing test is important to you because the website offers you a certificate. I will show you exactly how to get this certificate for free in this video. Typing certificates increases your earning rate per page, which is why you need them. Make sure you get this certificate if you wish to earn $15 for every page you type. It's the ultimate secret. You will be accepted much faster, even if you are completely new, and you will receive more high-paying projects and job opportunities if you have a certificate that proves that you can type effectively. If all things are taken into consideration, you could earn $300 per day just by typing names. Now, as you can see, when you start typing on this website, they'll also begin calculating how many words you can type per minute and also how accurate you are with your typing. You should be able to achieve an accuracy of 95 to 99%. Your accuracy determines how much money you make. You will be able to demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy by taking a typing test and receiving a certificate from this website. You'll get a higher payout rate that way. Here's how you can get this certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. You can see right here that they are going to show me my typing speed once I have finished typing. The following is my actual result. It doesn't matter if your typing speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 95%, because you can go back to ratatype.com and take the typing test again for free until you get the results you want. When you're satisfied with the results, you can scroll down below and click on this button right here to sign up for a free account. Simply fill out your name, email address, and password, and agree to their terms and conditions before clicking the sign up button. After that, you'll be able to access your brand new Rate-A-Type account. You would see this on your dashboard. Your name is displayed here along with your typing speed and accuracy. The certificate can be found below when you scroll down. You can view it in a larger version by clicking on it. This certificate is signed by Rate-A-Type.com to ensure its authenticity. As a result, you will be paid at a much higher rate. By clicking on this button, you can print this certificate. Mobile phones can also be used to do this. The certificate only needs to be saved as an image or as a PDF. With your certificate in hand, you can now begin applying for online typing jobs. Now that's all out of the way, let's visit talentdesire.com. To apply, scroll down to this last page of the website and click this red button that says Apply Now. Once you've clicked that, you'll be taken here. During this part of the video, pay very close attention and watch all the way to the end, since the registration page is actually very hidden. If you skip this section, you might get lost or fail to find the registration page. Now, once you've landed on this page, scroll right down below and you'll see step number 1, right here. Just click this red link right here to select an application form. Following that, you'll be taken to this page where you have to click on the red link again that says Online Application Form. After clicking this link, you'll be taken to this page. You'll be taken to the registration page after clicking that. Please rewatch the video if you are unable to locate the registration page, or save the video to your playlist so you can watch it later. To complete the registration process, all you need to do is fill out your personal information. It is very simple to register with them. All you need to do is accept their privacy policy, to which you will have to agree, and then you will need to provide your first name, last name, your email address, your contact number, and your country of residence, etc. You can do this by clicking this button and selecting your country. Thus, you can see that there are people from all over the world, including those from India, the United States, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, Bangladesh, and many other countries. As we move forward, this is mainly about your professional information. This section is extremely important because most people fail to do it correctly. The next step is to enter online typing job as your preferred job title. After that, choose what time is most convenient for you. You can do this by clicking the button right here. It's up to you to choose the time of day you want. However, I recommend you choose all day, since that will give you more job opportunities, so you'll be able to earn more money online. Then, click again on this button and choose the best method for receiving earnings. There are several methods of payment you can choose from, including PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and Skrill. Then, just below that, you will be able to select your current professional status. For me, the self-employed option is the best option. The above statement must be read and accepted once all the required information has been provided. Make sure you sign the document as well. Enter your full name here. Check the box indicating you're not a robot, and then click Submit. Simple as that. After you've been accepted, you'll start receiving typing jobs like this one. One page of 300 words can earn you up to $15. As you can see on the first page, you can earn $15 only for one page. You can make $15 more for the second page, and $15 more for the third page. With every page you type, you can earn $15. If you want to keep receiving jobs on a daily basis, make sure that you submit your job on time. And that is it. Enjoy working and earning easily. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.